TaiRox Productivity Tools contains over 50 programs that add hundreds of features to Sage 300. Features for Accounts Payable, Accounts Receivable, General Ledger, Inventory Control, Order Entry, Purchase Orders, and Payroll. For example, Productivity Tools lets you use SmartFinders to search customers, vendors, items, orders, POs, or invoices. SmartFinders appear throughout Productivity Tools programs to search Sage 300 like an internet search engine, matching multiple parts of multiple fields to find data fast. Display customer and vendor addresses in Google Maps. Copy customers, vendors, items, and GL accounts between Sage 300 databases. Copy permissions and setup from one Sage 300 user to another. Show every task that needs attention before month end. Update or ship hundreds of orders from order entry in one step. Update vendor costs and expected arrival dates for hundreds of purchase orders. Complete and delete old sales orders and POs to correct item quantities and to speed up day-end processing. Let's look at a few productivity tools. SmartFinders are a good place to start because they appear throughout Productivity Tools. I'll open the Extended Customers screen and then click on the Customer Number button to display the Customer SmartFinder. I'll enter Ron to find one of our customers. Notice that the SmartFinder displayed a number of customers in the top grid, 2 with Ron in the Customer Name field, and several others with Toronto in the City field. It also found a Ship-to address in the bottom grid that matched Ron, again in Toronto. The SmartFinder displays customers and Ship-to location records that contain the search string in any of the searched fields, such as in the Customer Name field or the address fields. I'll refine the search by adding BL and then double-click Customer 1200 to open the record for Ronald Black. The Extended Customers screen also shows a few more features that Productivity Tools adds to Sage 300. You can click the Address button to confirm the address for Ronald Black on Google Maps. Click the Email button to send Ronald Black an email. Click the Copy Customers button at the bottom to copy customers to other Sage 300 company databases. Productivity Tools lets you copy customers, vendors, GL accounts, and inventory items between Sage databases, making it easy to maintain data for corporations with multiple Sage 300 databases. Let's look next at a powerful TaiRox administration feature for onboarding new Sage 300 users, the User Management Program. User Management lets you copy some or all of one user's permissions to another user profile, remove some or all of the permissions for a single user, or remove some or all of the permissions for all users in one operation. It also lets you display a concise Users and Permissions report on the screen or save it to an Excel spreadsheet. This is a useful compliance report. If you need to maintain users across multiple Sage 300 databases, TaiRox also provides an enterprise version of User Management. Accounting Status, another productivity tool, helps you manage Sage 300 accounting processes by providing status information for all core modules in a single window. This benefit is targeted at larger clients who have several people involved in closing at month-end or year-end. The program displays unposted batches and untransferred subledger transactions from all Sage 300 applications in a single window. Users can drill down from the Account Status window to see batch control records and other pertinent information. Another Productivity Tools feature, Update Orders, eliminates the time-consuming steps involved in changing order details for dozens or hundreds of quotes or orders in the Sage 300 Order Entry module. For example, if an item is out of stock and you have to update the expected ship date on all orders, you would choose Update Item Expected Ship Date, choose Specific Item, select the item, for example, A1105/0, specify the expected ship date, I'll move it to August 10th, and depending on whether you ship partial orders, update the order expected ship date too. Now you can select the orders to be changed, in this case, all orders. You can also select additional criteria to select orders using a wide selection of order fields. Similarly, you can use the Update Purchase Orders program to change the expected arrival date of an item or list of items, or you can change the vendor cost for an item or list of items. Then select ranges of purchase orders that you need to update. Finally, I want to mention a popular set of productivity tools: Complete Orders, Delete Orders, Complete Purchase Orders, and Delete Purchase Orders. Complete Orders simplifies the job of completing orders in order entry by finding incomplete ones, eliminating discontinued items, zeroing the quantity outstanding and quantity committed values for each incomplete line item, and then setting the order status to complete. Complete Orders and Complete Purchase Orders ensure that your committed and on-order inventory item quantities are reliable. And you can use Delete Orders and Delete POs to remove excess data and speed up day-end processing. That concludes our quick look at TaiRox Productivity Tools. For more information about productivity tools and other TaiRox products, please visit the TaiRox website at www.tairox.com or email us at info@tairox.com.